on Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw the red character from Among Us. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go down to this drawing. Let's go see what we can come up. So for the first step making our character, we're going to begin by making one big circle right in the middle of the page. That circle looks great. Now for the next step, we're going to make a small curve coming from the top left-hand corner of our circle. Now on the same side but below, we're going to begin to make one line coming down. Now from this line coming down, we're going to make a small curve as well as begin to make the foot of our character. Fantastic start. Now we're going to begin to make the beginning of the right foot, but we're not going to finish it just yet. So now from this point, we're going to move up top. We're going to connect this curve down to the bottom. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now we're not done just yet, so we're going to go all over our character and bold the body. Now for the last step, over on the right hand side of our character, we're going to begin to make a rectangular-like shape. Now during dance party color time, we're going to color in our character red. If you want to color in your character a different color, that's completely okay as well. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our character.